In this tutorial I will show you how to schedule posts on Facebook. Scheduling posts on Facebook is a great way to plan ahead and share content at the perfect time. Here's how to do it. First, open the Facebook app on your device. At the top of the screen, you'll see a section that says What's on your mind? Tap on it to start creating your post. Next, tap on the photo-video option to add media to your post. This will redirect you to your Photos app. Scroll through your photos and select the one you'd like to share. Once you've chosen your photo, tap on Next. Now, you can add any text or information about your post in the text box. After you're done, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Next. A few options will appear, and you'll want to select Scheduling Options. From here, change the option to Schedule for Later. This will let you choose the exact time and date you want your post to go live. Scroll the roller to select the time and date that works best for you. Once you're satisfied with your settings, tap on Save. Finally, go back to the previous screen and tap on Post. It may take a few seconds, but once it's done, your post will be scheduled and ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a post on Facebook.